Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we go to Mar del Plata in Argentina. Mar del Plata is located in the province of Buenos Aires, next to the ocean, and is a really popular city in Argentina. From the capital of Buenos Aires it's around 400 kilometers and we chose to travel by bus, but it's also possible to travel by train or airplane. Both the old city center and the new one are worth a visit. We really enjoyed visiting the Museum of Modern Art. There's a big variety of bars and restaurants. Fishing is really popular here. If you like, you can eat fresh fish every day. The factory of the famous brand Havana is located in this city. Casino Central is the largest casino of the whole country, and trust me when I tell you it's huge. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe so we can continue doing what we love.